Welcome to one more video on top ranking stocks from Ravisa Templetree. In this video, we will talk about a company that was carved out of Polaris Software Labs, a company that specializes in the fintech space. We are talking about Intellect Design Arena. The first time when I heard the name of this company, I thought it was a graphic design company. While when we went deeper into studying the company after it came into top ranking, got to know that it is a fairly new entrant in the market, a small market cap. At the time it was 3,000 crores market cap, operating from Chennai, and has a very good product line to service the whole of financial sector. Intellect has three products which are the number one in retail banking, transaction banking and insurance technology. One of their new offerings named as iCredit 360 for the European banking market, which the company claims that the user or their customers, the banking industry, can compose solutions to meet the credit needs of their customers. As Intellect brought out a composable solution to its customers, it also played out a beautifully composed music in the form of profits to its investors. Business for Intellect has been growing at about 10% year on year, not a great number, while its margins had a beautiful expansion from just 1% 1 year back to 17% in March 2021. Again, not a great number rather, because there are big software companies in the market today having 25% margins, while for Intellect, the growth in its profits played a very significant role. A profit growth that was at minus 87% in March 2020 went on to become a growth of 1535% in March 2021. In just 1 year, there was a huge profit growth for the company. This is what made Intellect the darling of the stock markets. A look at this graph of sales and profit growth shows how it made a smooth sail in the markets, like a swan that is having a sail effortlessly with a lot of joy and happiness. It was the same kind of journey that the investors in Intellect had as their investments made a smooth sail, giving 300% returns in the last 1 year. How can you and me have identified such a great stock like Intellect in a market where we have 2,000 plus stocks getting traded? June 2020 quarterly results brought the first turnaround, taking Intellect stock to above 80 on its profit growth ranking. That's where Intellect moved into the top 20% stocks in the market that have the highest profit growth. Once profit growth comes, investors get into attention and stock price starts moving up. Soon after this profit growth qualification, price started moving up and it also pulled the stock price rank to above 80. After that, there was no look back for the stock. We can see in this graph here how stock price starts going up from 158, 160 levels to 700 plus levels after the stock qualified on its ranking above 80. Now, all the three, profit rank, price rank and the stock price, are perched at the top, taking rest after giving 300% returns to its investors. So here is the answer for the question: how can you and I identify such stocks in the market? Using ranking. When a stock ranks above 80 on its price rank and profit growth rank, which we call as the earnings relative strength rank, when both the rank goes above 80, that is the time we can identify stocks which are having more than this rank and invest into them to help us have our investments have multifold returns. Intellect has given very big returns in a short span of time to its shareholders. Let's look at which group of investors have made this fantastic returns. Retail investors have very big exposure in Intellect for a very long time. They hold more than 40% exposure in the stock, while they missed to capitalize on the advantage the stock provided in the recent past. Probably retail investors jumped out soon thinking that the run will get over and sold the stocks very early. Even domestic institutional investors have sold the stock as it started rising up. All the sales of shares these two groups made were acquired by the foreign institutional investors, and they made fast, neat profit of 300% in the last 1 year time. In the Indian market, we have a lot of companies giving huge opportunities of wealth creation to investors, while as investors, we tend to get out very fast and give up all the opportunities to foreign investors who makes the biggest chunk of profit in our country. This is not because we are not well capitalized or we don't have the knowledge. It is just because of greed and fear. We want to jump out very fast, thinking that only that much is the profit, or maybe we think that we are very smart and want to get out early, thereby giving up all the opportunities which goes off to foreign investors. Among mutual funds, there is only one asset management company which owns Intellect stock, that is Nippon India Asset Management Company. In two of their schemes, one is value fund and other one is small cap fund, Nippon holds Intellect in their portfolio. When funds have great stocks in their portfolios, they generally give grand returns to their investors. Nippon India Small Cap Fund has given 115% returns in the last 1 year to its investors. This is because of the superb stock selection that they have made in the portfolio they hold. As of today, more than 50% of their exposure, the stocks that they have in their portfolio, are pretty strong, have a lot of strength to go up, that will end up giving fantastic returns to the investors in that schemes in the few months that is going to come in future. The immediate thought that we get in our mind when we see some stock doing great in the market is, can I buy this stock now? So let's look at how the company has been performing of late to know better whether we can put money into the stock or not. Let's look at this graph. It's having the sales and profit growth on quarterly numbers. Sales have been growing, while profits, if we closely observe at the right edge, it's kind of flat. Probably this was sensed rightly by the market, and hence the stock went into a consolidation in the recent couple of months. If we see the sales numbers for March 19 and March 21, it is at 400 crores. That is, in March 19, Intellect made 400 crore sales. After that, it had a dip, and again now in March 21, after 2 years, it's come back to again 400 crores of sales. In this period, profits, which was at 42 crores in March 19, has now become 80 crores in March 2021. What a beautiful growth, right? This is the reason why the stock flew up. While let's get even more closer to the profits. Unlike sales, profits, let's go closer. If we see the last 2 quarters between December 20 and March 21, profits are same at 80 crores. Looks like profits is getting tired. This market doesn't like. Market always want a horse to be running. It cannot stop. If we stop, they will jump to another horse. So that's the reason the stock is going into a consolidation now. It requires a push on its profits to go up again. For June 21 results, which is about to come in a couple of weeks from now, if that starts playing the music, looks like this song will continue. So we need to wait for strength to build up in the stock in the form of profit numbers. Only then it is good to get into the stock. Until then, let's wait. Let's look at what will be the apt price to buy the stock. Let's look at the beautiful picture of Intellect's stock chart. This stock gave a trend reversal buy in June 2020. This was even before the June 20 quarterly result was announced. This happens because a few people who are very close to the company, who get to know about the performance, they put their first step to buy the stock. After that, post the results, June results came in July. Immediately the result came, the stock qualified on earnings growth rank, that is profit growth rank. After that, it gave a beautiful breakout, and from there was no look back. Stock went on to give 300% returns to its investors. The returns comparison of Intellect against the broader market, that is, we'll take NSE 500 here. In the last 1 year, generally stock rank qualified stocks give fantastic returns. That's what happened with Intellect. 1 year returns, NSE 500 gave 55% to its investors, Intellect gave 550%. When we come to a closer 3-month and 1-month period, it was just close to the index on 3 months and it lagged the index in 1 month. This is one beautiful signal which any of us can use to identify the next big opportunity in a stock. If there is a stock which gives very big returns in the longer time frame and come to shorter time frame, it is tagging the index or even underperforming the index, that is the stock which we have to start tracking for next opportunities, which can be very, very big. In that manner, Intellect has qualified for such an opportunity. So start watching the ranking for the stock. If June 21 results continue to keep the ranking at the top, that's the signal for you to enter the stock. So for now, a good level to buy Intellect is 705 or below 705. Wait for the stock to go below 705. Probably it might take a little more time. While it's worth the wait, there is potential if results continue to be good. To have your copy of Stock Rank Report, which can help you identify the best stocks in the market and help you grow your wealth as fast as you think, subscribe to our Stock Rank Report by joining our discussion group. Send a WhatsApp request to the contact given in the description or at the end of the video to join our group. As long as the company creates wonders in the digital finance space, music is going to get played in investors' ears.